Hello everyone, welcome back on here. I trust you're all doing well and fine. Today we are going to be cooking together a special kind of fried rice made with shrimp. So sit back, relax and watch me cook. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share and also drop me your thought. Thank you so much. Let's get right into the video. So first I'll be starting with the chicken. I have already washed chicken legs in the pot. I just added ginger, garlic and onions which I blended. Now I'm adding curry, all-purpose seasoning, some thyme and then also rosemary. So I'm just going to simmer for 5 minutes without adding anything, and then I'm going to come back and add water to it. Because it is soft chicken, I'm not going to be cooking it for too long. So after 5 minutes I now added water. I'll now cook for another 3 minutes, just 3 minutes. Now it's ready. I'm transferring the chicken legs into the oven. All done. So now we're going to cook the rice. In a clean pot already in the gas, I added just a bit of oil. Now onions, ginger and garlic. I'm going to saute for about just a minute. Next, the spices goes in, still rosemary, thyme, all-purpose seasoning and a bit of paprika. I'm not using salt because the all-purpose seasoning contains salt. Now I added washed rice. This rice I washed thoroughly until the water ran clear. Now I'm just toasting for a bit. Next, I am decanting the stock water, the chicken stock water, onto the pot. So we are going to use that to cook the rice. So I'll just cover until the rice is cooked. We'll come back after 10 minutes. Now the rice is ready. Time to saute vegetables. So to start with, I'm going to be sauteing the shrimps. I'm just seasoning the shrimps with all-purpose seasoning. I'm not going to be cooking the shrimp for too long, just about 2 minutes. Why? Because if you cook for too long, it becomes chewy. To be elastic, it will be very chewy. So once it turns pink and it shows that ready, so I'll just take this out. Now I have a little oil in my pan. I just added in onions, chopped onions. I'll just saute that for about 2 minutes. When that is ready, all the seasoning goes in. That's all-purpose seasoning, curry. Now I just added carrots. I saute my carrot first because that is a bit harder than other vegetables. So I just saute for a minute. Now I just added up green peas and green beans. I'll saute that for a minute, and then all other things can come in. The sweet corn, green pepper, red chili pepper. That's all the vegetables I'm using. I sauteed all of it now for about another 1 minute, and then I now added the boiled and fried liver, chicken liver. So all the vegetables are actually ready now. What I'm doing at this point now is combining the rice, and I'm doing this under hot heat. So my gas is, the highest is 3, so it's on 3 now. You want to saute this on high heat so that it will fry very well, and your fried rice would not go bad. So already done. I just added the shrimps now. I'll just mix properly and our fried rice is ready. Simple. Our fried rice is ready at this point. If you have watched to this point, I appreciate it.